Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Hot Rollers Clips is probably one of the most underrated hairstyling tools out there, offering a simple yet effective way to achieve gorgeous curls and waves. Forget about the hassle of curling irons or the damage of excessive heat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hot roller clips, exploring what makes them essential for anyone looking to elevate their hair game. Number 5. Conair Hot Rollers, Ceramic Hair Curlers. These Conair hot rollers use ceramic technology to provide even heat for long-lasting curls. They heat up quickly, in just 85 seconds, and the velvety covering helps protect your hair from heat damage. When the ready dot illuminates, take about an inch of hair and wrap it around the roller, securing it with a super clip. Leave them in for about 20 minutes for volume or 10 minutes for looser waves. This set includes 12 ceramic flocked rollers in 2 sizes, perfect for custom curls and waves. There are 4 super jumbo rollers and 8 jumbo rollers, along with 12 super clips to keep everything in place. To ensure the rollers heat up properly, place the container on a flat surface with the lid closed. Wait for about 85 seconds for the rollers to reach the right temperature, between 140°F and 230°F, before using them. Conair has been making innovative hair styling tools since 1959. Their hair care line includes high-quality hair dryers, brushes, styling tools, and accessories. You can trust them to deliver great results. Always place the hot roller set on a hard, flat surface, like your bathroom counter. Make sure the lid is closed tightly to ensure proper heating. Avoid putting too much hair on one roller, or the clip may not hold it securely. What we like. This set uses ceramic technology to ensure even heat distribution, giving you long-lasting curls. The multiple roller sizes allow you to customize your look. If you're looking for a versatile set that caters to different curl styles, this is the one for you. What people say. They work great and are easy to use. These clips are the perfect size and hold the hair in place without leaving any marks. They hold the hair in place without leaving any marks. Number 4. Hot Roller Claw Clips for Hair Styling. Are you missing clips for your hot rollers? These 12 replacement clips are perfect. They fit most roller sizes and are great for holding hair in place. These clips work with small, medium, large, and jumbo rollers. They are designed to fit rollers up to 60 mm in diameter, making them a versatile choice. The unique claw design holds the curler securely without leaving marks. The different claw lengths provide a better grip. If it feels tight initially, adjust it for optimal use. These clips are ideal for creating uniform curls and setting hairstyles. They are also useful for sectioning hair and securing it after showering. It's a handy tool for any stylist. Made of plastic, these clips are lightweight and easy to use with hot or cold rollers. They won't damage your hair. They are designed to withstand heat and last a long time. Each clip is 5 cm wide, 6 cm long, and 4 cm high. These dimensions make it suitable for most roller sizes, whether you have short or long hair. It's a convenient tool for everyone. What we like. These clips are designed with a unique claw design to hold the curler securely in place without marking your hair. They are also heat resistant, making them perfect for use with hot rollers. If you have a variety of roller sizes and need reliable clips, these are a great choice. What people say. Clips work great on hot rollers that only came with clips. These springs are strong. They are great for hot curlers or any other hot quick set. They're very strong and have lots of tines and do not slip out. Exactly what I was hoping for, fit my curlers nice and snug. Number 3. Assorted Hot Roller Clips Replacements, 20 pieces. Introducing a set of 20 replacement clips for your hot rollers. This set includes clips in 3 different sizes, perfect for all your styling needs. You'll have plenty to create your desired look. The set contains large, medium, and small clips. This variety ensures compatibility with most roller sizes. They are designed to fit a wide range of curlers. These clips are made from sturdy, long-lasting materials. They are designed for repeated use, providing a reliable hold. You can count on them for consistent performance. With these clips, you can easily style your hair at home. Create various hairstyles and achieve professional-looking results. It's also a great gift for friends and family. These clips are compatible with most hot roller sets. However, it's best to check the size before purchasing. Ensure they fit your specific curler model. What we like. With assorted sizes, these clips fit a variety of rollers, making them ideal for different hair types and styles. They are also reusable and durable, ensuring they last for many styling sessions. If you like to style your hair at home, these clips will be a great addition to your kit. What people say. They do work. They are shorter, but hold my curlers fine. They are the perfect size for my 1-inch rollers. Number 2. Kitsch Rose Gold Metal Hair Clips. These hair clips provide a strong, non-slip grip. They hold your hair securely in place while you cut, color, or section. Designed to stay put without tugging, making styling easier. Perfect for hairstyling, makeup, or blow drying, these clips offer exceptional versatility. You can use them daily or during salon sessions for clean, easy separation. They are very useful. Crafted from high-quality metal, they are built to last through repeated use. Their rust-resistant coating and strong springs provide long-term performance. You can count on them. These duck-billed hair clips feature a slim yet curved shape that easily slides into all hair types without pulling. It's ideal for creating sections during treatments or styling without disrupting other parts of the hair. They are very easy to use. Finished in luxe rose gold, these alligator hair clips bring sophistication to your toolkit. Whether for professional use or home styling, elevate your collection with fashionable and functional hair clips. They are very beautiful. What we like. These clips provide a strong, no-slip grip, perfect for sectioning and styling. They are also built to last with a rust-resistant coating. If you are a professional stylist or someone who wants salon-quality results at home, you should consider these. What people say. But the product functions as it should. Strong clips. Great quality and not expensive. I use these to hold my curl a little longer after curling it, and it makes my curls super bouncy. Holds hair well. Clips are highly durable. Perfect when doing your hair or makeup. Number 1. Tbestmax 24 Hot Roller Clips. These clips are a great tool for sectioning and holding your hair. It helps you create uniform curls with ease. The clips hold your hair securely without leaving any marks. You can style your hair without worrying about damage. They are suitable for any size of cold and hot rollers. It's a versatile tool for all your styling needs. Use them after showers, while working, or applying makeup. It's gentle on your hair and scalp. Made of heat-resistant, durable plastic, these clips are lightweight and easy to use. You'll receive 24 pieces, so you won't need to buy more anytime soon. What we like. These clips are designed to hold your hair securely without leaving marks. They are heat-resistant and suitable for any size of cold and hot roller. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to section your hair while styling, this is a great option. What people say. Purchase to use with my 2-inch hot rollers, and these are perfect. They work well, hold the hair tight. These are super easy to use and do an excellent job of holding my curlers in place exactly where I want them to be. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.